So I thought it would be a good day. It's like 70 degrees here in Statesville, North Carolina. Come out and do a little artifact hunting or relics, because this is an old home site. Belongs to a friend of mine. It's got about 500 acres here. But as you can see, there's a couple of stacks of rocks behind me. One over here, and then there's one that I'm sitting on, and then one over that way, and several over here. So I'm gonna go around and check them out. Do a little digging if I have to, if I find something. Of course, I always bring a bucket everywhere I go. They come in really handy. And didn't want to forget my lucky archaeology hat, even though I probably won't need it today. The sun's going down. I got about hour at the most daylight. Alright, so with me today, I've got my Garrett bag. It's got a few supplies in it, like a pinpointer, my knife here for when I go find something and I start digging. Oh yeah, and I've got to go back and get my shovel, and some gloves, and I've also brought this so that I can blow the leaves away. And of course, last but not least, my metal detector, which is the Bounty Hunter Time Ranger. It's a very good metal detector. I also brought the Sawzall. Get rid of some of these little trees. I got my blower, and I'm gonna blow some of these leaves out of the way so we can actually see the ground. You know what? It's gonna take a while to do that. So I think what I'll do actually is get my metal detector and get started checking. Okay. Oh. So chances are it's picking up some type of metal. It's not a very good metal. Yeah. All right, so we have a depth of 2 inches and a target of 55. So I'm going to blow this area here, and then I'm going to grab my pinpointer. And I can also put this on sniff. Let's see. Might have just blew it away. Go figure. Alright, let's see what we got here. Not see if all metal trap. Okay, it's right here. Right there is where it's saying. Now I'll grab my pinpointer, my knife. Let's see if that's where it is. Okay, it's picking up stuff all around. What? Okay, surely not. I don't know why. Oh boy, guess what? It's going to be nails. So I think that there's nails all around. This looks what it looks like. So we might have to, yeah. See that? Another nail. So I may have to disregard this little area here as being a hotbed for nails. Okay. So let's move on somewhere else. So we're not going to want to keep digging for nails all day. That's an older nail here. All right, we'll set those there for now. Let's go back. See, it's just going to pick up. Let's just keep. Need to come down and knock some of these down. Let's see, sure gets 25. We got something here. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. Just metal right here. Ooh. Okay. Definitely metal. Maybe a piece of an iron, maybe an old wood stove, section of a wood stove. Most likely. Set it over there. See if there's anything else in this area. So it's kind of neat. I got this phone that goes on the GoPro app, and then I can see what type of view I'm getting, so that I can tell that my camera's working. First of all, actually, I think I probably got it all. Alright. Then let's go back. I'm going to set my stuff here so I don't lose it. And I didn't bring a belt. I did bring a hatchet if I need it. Should cut these tree lines down. Okay. Now let's do all metal track. Right there. Oop, I didn't mean to do that. It's okay. Interesting. Okay. Like this is a coal. Exactly what it is. And let me see. My pinpointer. So, you know, I just found the wood stove, piece of that wood stove. So I'm guessing maybe, that this whole area could be fragments of the wood stove. Because I'm picking it up by accident. I'm picking it up everywhere now. Okay. My eyes are not the greatest, by the way. Okay, I do have a shovel, but what I found so far hasn't been very deep. This thing is really nice to have, and if you suspect that something might be really deep, okay, there's a nail, then you could always just stick it straight in the ground. So I'm thinking that I'm going to pick up more nails in this area, because I'm pretty sure that's another one. Okay. Yeah. Just a whole section of nails here. Yeah. think I'll move along away from this area. And I could actually set the metal detector to where it doesn't go off with that same type of metal. But when you do that, take a chance on missing out on other things. So I try not to do that too much. Okay. Yeah, just okay. Alrighty. That is, I'm not sure. Maybe, okay. I guess maybe it's an old rusted nail, but I'm gonna move on. So we're back over this area. So I've got this pinpointer set on vibrate. Okay, not really small, apparently. Must have just dropped it. Just dropped it. Oh. Okay, another nail. Alright, so I'm going to move along over that way. Enough nails for today. Stick my pinpointer in my pocket there. Carry on. Okay, so what I'm going to look for now is high signals, like that. Now, okay, that's a pretty decent sound signal. It's showing a really high number, target 246. So I'm going to go right here. All metal track. Right here. And also, oh, well, there we go. Okay. Well, that was easy enough. See what else I can find. Take my pinpointer. Okay, this whole area, oh yeah. This whole area has got all these pieces right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pile somewhere of a trash pile, basically. Probably should actually do it. That's a good spot. Yeah, I don't know that I'm going to waste too much time in this area here. Yeah, because it's all... Yeah. Okay. This whole area. Alright. Let's move along. Turn this off. Okay. How about we go... Let's try to figure out where maybe the front door was. You know, the front of the house. The side of the house. Yeah, I see a piece over here. Pieces someone has found. More pieces of the old wood stove, I'm assuming. I presume. Yeah. So let's go in this area. See what we can find. Alright. So as you can see, I got my GoPro up here. Works pretty good for getting a first person view of when I find stuff. We're going to move over to this area. Do a little scanning over here because all I'm finding so far was pieces of cast iron and nails. So let's just say that there was a front door. So let's check here. Okay, let's do a right here. Alright, so this area right here is what I'm showing. Okay. Let's do the pinpoint. Right here. Alright, so I hear metal. Okay. Interesting. Not sure what it is, but that's it. Okay, so it's a piece of tube. What else? Probably maybe it was part of another piece of, wood stove or something like that. Yeah, another nail. Okay. So what I was thinking about, see there's more over there, more for the foundation. Alright, so let's go over there. Okay. Okay, another nail. Alright, so what I'm going to do, take these pieces, actually I'll stack them right here, put these others, okay, safe and sound. Now let's go over this way. Alright, so far I'm finding a bunch of trash over in this area. You see this piece here. You see where. So I'm gonna move out this way, and I'm gonna see if I can guess maybe where the front of that house was. Could possibly be out in the yard area. There might be some coins. You never know. Let's say this is the trail that I come in on right here. So maybe, right over here, maybe, there might be some metal pieces, some coins or whatever out in this area. So let's go look over there.